Okay, let us start again once.
Okay, so yes.
Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So friends, today we have Natasha with us, and she has got selected in Hexaware. So first of all, I want to congratulate her for getting selected in Hexaware.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so today she is here on our platform and she has decided to help millions of people, those who really wanted to prepare and get into Hexaware. So I will give the floor to Natasha. So she will introduce herself and then she will be talking about her written and interview experience and how did she crack. So what was her strategy and how we helped her in achieving her goal. Yes, Natasha, so the floor is yours.
Hello, everyone. My name is Natasha Meshram, and I am in fourth year from Computer Engineering branch, and I am from Mumbai University. So I am selected in Hexaware Technologies, and it is one of the best company. Hexaware Technologies is a
Yes,
dream
yes,
company
true.
for many students, and
True.
I am here to discuss with you all how Hexaware selection goes on, how they tell students to prepare themselves, and
Mm-hmm.
how they take the interview process and all.
Okay.
So basically, the first round of this process is the aptitude round.
Mhm.
In your aptitude round, you will be having 20 questions each. Means first you
I
will
mean,
be
you mean
having
to say like the
aptitude
complete
questions.
the first round, you are okay, referring as aptitude round. Okay, fine.
Yes, in
Mhm.
aptitude round, you are having everything like maths, you are having verbal,
Mhm.
reasoning questions,
Mhm.
logical questions,
Mhm.
technical MCQ. So all these
Okay.
questions will be there in your first round,
Okay.
and that round you need to clear for going for other four rounds. So
Okay.
total
Okay.
there are five rounds in Hexaware Technologies placement.
Five rounds.
So yes, you are having
Mhm.
five rounds in Hexaware. So
Okay.
the first round is the aptitude round in
Mhm.
which you are having five set of a questions,
Okay.
20 each, means
Mhm.
total of 100 marks. So
Okay.
in the first set of a questions, you are having mathematical related questions,
Mhm.
time, work and distance, speed, train questions, and all these questions,
Mhm.
probability.
Mhm.
So these questions you need to prepare very well for cracking your maths aptitude. And
Mhm.
then the
So
level
the
of these
yeah.
questions, yeah, the level
Mhm.
of these questions is easy to medium level, means not difficult, not much difficult questions, easy to medium, like not
Okay.
like the Goldman Sachs question which were
Okay.
asked very difficult, not like that. Easy to medium level questions were asked here.
Mhm.
And similar for logical and reasoning questions, they were also medium to easy level. And for technical MCQ, you will be having your DBMS questions, you will be
Mhm.
having Python related questions,
Okay.
OOPM questions, data structures, operating system. So these type of questions will be asked in your technical MCQ questions.
Okay.
So
Okay. Okay.
this was all about the first round.
And what about
And
verbal ability? Verbal ability questions will be also difficult, or it will be
uh,
also easy to moderate.
verbal ability questions were also means easy to moderate questions, means it
Okay.
was not much difficult, but you need to prepare your English very well for cracking those questions. So
Okay.
that questions completely depends on your how your vocabulary is, how your English language is, your grammatical mistakes shouldn't be there. So that
Mhm.
all questions depend on it. So this is
Okay.
what about your verbal questions is. So
Okay.
first round means for me, online study for you channel helped me a lot in this preparation for aptitude questions.
Oh, great.
On date 17th of September, my exam was there, and I came
Mhm.
to know about it on 15th September that my slot date announced is day before the next day,
Yesterday,
means
yeah. Mhm.
yeah, on 17th September. And I was please preparing from a longer time from online study for you channel. I was referring their cap Gemini and all the questions,
Oh,
type of a
it's
questions.
all
So I
video
was
you are
having
referring.
an
Okay.
yes. I referred all the video, and I was having idea about which type of questions will be asked in the examination. So
Mhm.
what happened? Pratik sir, he posted one video, uploaded one video in which he did an analysis of slot one, slot two, and slot three hexawer questions.
Mhm.
And after that, he posted one and uploaded one video of that Hexaware previous year questions.
Yes,
So
yes.
I referred that questions, and coincidentally, those questions were much similar to these questions. And so I was having confident that I will
Mhm.
easily crack those questions. And yes, I cracked those questions. And after 2 months, the result was announced.
Oh,
Like
after 2 months of
I
written.
After two
Okay.
months, yes, on
Mm,
that is on 7th of November, the result was announced that
mhm.
I am qualified for next round, that is technical interview. Now,
Okay, okay.
basically, in technical interview, they
Mhm,
told me that after 2 days, I am
mhm,
having my technical interview examination. That is
mhm.
interview. So this was my first chance, that first time I'm giving any technical interview. So
Oh.
I was not having much idea
Mhm,
about what type of questions will be asked, and what I was doing, I was started preparation about operating system, data science,
mhm.
and also it was confusing much that what I need to prepare, what questions
True,
they will
true.
ask, and I need to answer. But
True.
later what happened, after 2 days,
Mhm,
means I was preparing, and I saw one video
mhm.
on online study for you channel, and
Oh.
at that time I came to know that we need to prepare for OPM as well.
Mhm,
So I skipped that portion. So what I did is, now I again uh, means I studied for OPM as well.
mhm,
I thought, if possible, they can ask me those questions as well. So I
mhm,
prepared, and I that concept I revised again of OOPM, like Java questions
mhm,
and
mhm.
Python questions. HTML questions were also asked in the examination. So I
Okay, okay.
referred those concepts, and that questions were asked in exam.
Oh.
So in technical interview, the
Mhm,
questions they asked me
mhm,
was OOPM based questions, that is completely encapsulation, inheritance, classes,
mhm.
object. So these type of questions were asked. They told me
Okay.
to write one program on Python.
Mhm,
They gave me concept, means problem statement, and I wrote some small program on it.
mhm,
And then they asked me to create a small website of displaying a name, displaying a name on that page
mhm.
using HTML.
Okay.
So I did that. And they asked me some questions, that why Python is better,
Mhm,
why not C we prefer, why Python we prefer. So such
mhm,
type of questions were asked in technical interview.
mhm, mhm,
After that, after one day, I
mhm.
got a message that I cleared the technical interview round.
Okay.
I was much happy that I cleared
Okay.
technical interview
So
round.
one question here. So you were able to answer all the question in the technical interview, or you skipped a few, or you were not able to answer? Because this will give
Uh,
a idea to student that it's not mandatory to answer all the question, but whatever you're answering, that you should answer with the confidence.
Yes, actually, sir, not all the questions which they ask are answerable questions, because
Mhm,
some questions are quite confusing, and we get confused when they ask the question that what exactly the answer would be.
mhm, mhm,
So some questions I answered, but the questions which I was not knowing, I used
mhm,
to answer them with confidence using my own logic.
mhm,
So, I mean, suppose they have asked me why Python is better than C, and this question I was not prepared.
mhm,
So I answered that Python is very user-friendly language, and it is very easy to code in Python rather than C. So such type of questions, very easy type of questions were
mhm,
asked. Means they asked, means not confusing student much. So we need to answer the questions, but it is not compulsory to answer all the questions.
mhm. Okay,
Like,
okay. Great, great. Okay. So what was the third round? So you go after 2 days,
uh,
they sent you the result.
yes, yes, yes.
Mhm,
After 1 or 2 days, they sent me the result that I have qualified the technical interview round, and
mhm,
the next round was that communication skills round, that is
mhm,
speech X round, and writing skills.
mhm,
So it was on a metal platform.
mhm,
So so the questions were there, like the English speaking questions, like
mhm,
writing skill, writers communication skill. Means first there are 5 steps total.
mhm,
In the first step, they ask audio, they give one audio,
mhm,
and we have to repeat that sentence what
mhm,
they have speak in audio, that same sentence we have to repeat. So,
okay.
and they speak very fast, so
Mhm,
we have to grasp that what they have spoken, and that then we have to repeat that.
mhm,
So such
uh-huh,
types of questions were asked, and then within 1 minute we have to write a small essay of they ask a question, what is your favorite game? So
mhm,
we have to write in 1 minute, or we have to speak in 1 minute, what is my favorite game, what I will do when I will purchase my own house. So
mhm.
such questions they ask, and which check your skills, that how quickly you answer the question.
So
So
basically,
such
presence
type
of
of a
mind.
question they ask. Yes, yes, presence of a mind.
Mm,
Then there are grammatical questions, like
mhm,
prepositions and all questions in the next round.
Mm-hmm.
This is all about the communication skill round. And in question one, suppose they are asking you about the audio, then that audio round means they will speak and we have to speak after them. So this round consists of 5 questions.
Mm-hmm.
And then question two round is writing skills. So these rounds are there in that communication skill round.
Okay,
So
okay.
I also qualified this round, and then there was a time for round four. Round
Hmm.
four was learning agility round. Learning
Okay.
agility round is completely means presence of a mind, that
Mm-hmm.
how we are taking the decisions there.
Okay,
Means they
okay.
give us questions like, if you get a better job
Mm-hmm.
not Hexaware, then will you leave Hexaware or will you be loyal to our company? So such
Mm-hmm.
type of a questions we need to give answer. We directly won't say that yes, I will leave the job and I will go to new company which
Mm-hmm.
will give
True,
me
true.
good package. So it
True.
will create a bad impression on the company.
Mm-hmm.
So we have to write there like, if I will get a good chance here and if I will get a good treatment in this company, and if will provide opportunity for me to be successful in life, then definitely I will not leave this company. So such type of answers we need to write there. Such type MCQ type of questions are there and options are provided. So
Mm-hmm.
wisely we need to select those answers which are asked in those questions. So
Okay,
such
okay,
type of
great.
questions which test your brain are
Hmm.
asked in this round, that is learning agility round. And
Okay, okay.
yeah, and after
So this
qualifying
all
this
were
round,
happening like one day, like after your technical round. So this all were happening on the same day,
yes,
or?
yes.
Okay.
No. After technical round, 1 day gap was there, and again the next day the round were
Okay, okay,
conducted. Means within 7 days, all these three rounds completed.
okay, okay.
And after learning agility round, Diwali vacation begins.
Mm-hmm.
The result was not declared, and I thought that I was not qualified for the same because I was not getting a mail. So
Mm-hmm.
I checked my email for a long time, but the mail was not coming, and I was really scared a lot that I have cleared those 4 rounds, and now the
Mm-hmm.
HR round is there and not selected. And
Mm-hmm.
so I contacted my teacher and I asked her that, ma'am, I'm not getting mail from Hexaware Technologies. So ma'am told me that there is a Diwali vacation and you will get the mail after the next day of Diwali. So after the next day of a Diwali, I got a message from that you are selected in this learning agility round, and now you have to prepare for your HR round.
Mm-hmm.
So now it was time for my HR round, and it was a 10-15 minutes HR interview.
Okay.
First time I was giving an HR interview,
So
and
everything
I
was
was not
like
happy.
first time for you.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, everything was the first time. So I referred much videos about how to give HR interviews. My brother guided me for the same, how to give HR
See,
interviews.
that is the reason,
Uh,
we are putting all the experience of the person, those who have qualified, so that it will help now the next year, whoever is going to appear for the exam. So definitely all those things will help them. And I will also request you to, like, whatever the conversation we have, so that is in a PDF kind of form or text form, so that we will upload it on our website, so other people will be, getting more and more benefits. So with your name, we will display it there
yes,
as well.
sure,
Yeah.
sir. Sir, in the HR round, what
Mhm.
happened when they started their interview, they
Mhm.
asked me many questions like, what is your name? First of all, they started. And then I told me, my name is Natasha Meshram. And they told me, you have qualified your 4 rounds now. And they asked me, how are you? The main question is, how are you? And whenever they ask us, how are you? We shouldn't say that I am fine. This will create a bad impression. We have to say
Mhm.
I am doing great. So it will
Mhm.
create a good impression on that interviewer. So after that, he asked me that, are you good with the salary which we are providing
Mhm.
from our company? I told, yes, I'm good with. I'm satisfied with the salary 3.50. Then he asked me many further questions like, are you comfortable doing a job anywhere throughout the country, or
Mhm.
are you means comfortable in Mumbai only? No, I
Mhm.
told, okay, it's fine for me throughout the country. I will
Mhm.
do the job, means
Mhm.
whether it be Bangalore, Chennai. So this conversation took place, and then he asked me many further questions like, why you choose computer engineering as your field. So this
Mhm.
question they asked me. Now, why computer engineering? So, first of all, computer engineering I took because of my brother. He was my idol and he was a computer engineer. So,
Mhm,
since childhood, I used to love computers a lot and I used to interact with computers since my childhood
mhm,
because of him. And because of that, computers came in my life and and I took computer engineering. That was the reason. So, I
mhm.
told him many answers to HR sir, and then I qualified the HR round and I was
Oh,
selected in
great.
Hexaware Technologies.
So after HR round, how many days you got the result?
I got the result within 2 3 days. My teacher called me and early morning at 12 o'clock, 10 o'clock a.m. and she told me, Natasha, you got selected in Hexaware Technologies, and we got a mail from Hexaware Technologies in our college placement cell, and she was very happy. And then I came to know, I checked my email immediately, and yes, they were showing message, congratulations,
Yes, yes,
Natasha, you
because
have been
Hexaware is a
selected.
very good company to work in.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so this all this mass recruited TCS, CTS, Wipro and all. So Hexaware is a very very good company to work with,
Yes.
and definitely because whatever you explained, because I was also not aware about like how Hexaware round happens. So after listening all those things, the only thing is you have to be very smart here. So the
Yeah,
first
yes,
round,
sir.
as you said, it is easy to moderate. So many people had cleared actually first round,
Yeah.
and then they started getting eliminated in the other 3 4 rounds, because your grammatical presence of mind, how your brain functions very fast when they ask questions to you. So all those things really mattered here. And once
Yes,
again,
yes.
a lot of congratulations, and we are
Thank
also
you, sir.
very happy, because you were the first student. I see many people, if they get selected also, they don't communicate. So you are not the first, you are the second student, those who get selected in Hexaware from online study for you. So
Yeah.
yeah, definitely, and thanks a lot for coming to our platform and guiding to students. And definitely, as I said, like the PDF version also will be uploading it on our website and in YouTube channel as well. We will be giving the link. So that also I will request you to send. And all the
Yes, sir.
best for
Sure.
your future.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So have you met Pratik sir anytime?
No, no, sir.
Okay. So I'm only Pratik.